In this video, I will share how I made over $23,000 in 1 month doing Amazon FBA. What is Amazon FBA? Amazon FBA, or Fulfilled by Amazon, is a business model where you sell your products in Amazon by sending your inventory to Amazon warehouse, and then Amazon will be the one to store it, package it, and then ship it to your customer when you get an order. All you have to do is to send inventory, create a listing, and optimize your listing to get sales. Later, I will tell you what is the first product that I sold in Amazon and other products that are responsible for making over $23,000 per month. So first, why Amazon? Amazon.com consistently receives over 2 billion visitors each month, according to SimilarWeb 2023. These numbers make Amazon.com the most visited e-commerce site in the world. Now, how many people use Amazon? It is estimated that the marketplace has over 310 million active users worldwide. With that number of users, how much really does Amazon make? According to Statista 2023, in 2022, Amazon generated $514 billion in net revenue. With that number in mind, we can answer the following questions. How much does Amazon make in a day? $1.4 billion in sales per day. How much does Amazon make per second? $16.3 million in sales per second. So, what we basically do is to leverage the platform to sell our products and get a small portion of that sales. Now, what are the things we need to do? First is to find a product to sell. There are different ways to find a potential winning product. First is to go to the best sellers tab and then search per category. What I would do is I would go deeper and look inside the subcategories. The deeper you go, the less competition. Your goal is to become the top product in that particular subcategory. Since you are just starting, you don't want to compete with sellers who have thousands of reviews already. Find a subcategory with fewer sellers who have thousands of reviews. That way, it's easier for you to get sales because majority of the people on Amazon buy a product based on the number of reviews. Another way to do product research is by using tools like Jungle Scout and Zoof. This helps you find products to sell, optimize your listing, boost your organic ranking, and so much more. I will put a link down in the description if you want to check it out. Once you found your product, next is to find suppliers. Mostly use Alibaba.com. Alibaba has millions of products to choose from, and you can get them at manufacturer or wholesale price. However, they have longer shipping time since they are from China. There are also suppliers in the US that can ship to Amazon warehouse faster, but Alibaba has way more products available. In finding suppliers, choose those manufacturers with long and good track record. They have to have good reviews, they ship on time, and they are trade assurance supplier. Trade assurance gives you peace of mind when making an order through Alibaba.com. If the supplier fails to ship your products on time or the product quality does not meet the standards set in your contract, Alibaba.com will refund the covered amount of your payment. How to check if the supplier has trade assurance? Check their profile if they have a badge of trade assurance. You can also filter the supplier by checking the box. As part of this process, it's good to ask for samples from different suppliers to check the quality. You can also negotiate the price. If they give you a certain price, negotiate for a lower price. And only order a few items, especially if you are just starting out. When I ordered mine, I tried 50 pieces on my first order, sometimes 100 pieces depending on the budget. Speaking of budget, it is advisable to have about $2,000 for your startup cost. That includes the product price and the shipping. However, you can start small if you want. It all depends on the product and of course, your budget. I remember I started with less than $500. My very first product was a probiotic supplement that I sourced from the US. The product cost $3.36 per bottle and I ordered 100 bottles initially. I paid $99 for the art layout design and less than $50 for the shipping fee to Amazon warehouse. The turnaround time is just a couple of weeks, from logo design to labeling to manufacturing and shipping to Amazon warehouse. If you are getting your products from Alibaba.com, in order to fully customize your product, they would require an MOQ or minimum order quantity. If you have a limited budget and can't afford their MOQ, you can ask if they would allow you to purchase fewer units without fully customizing the product. Mostly, they would agree and provide options if you tell them that you are just starting out and would like to test the product and the market. Check also the shipping cost and the shipping duration. There are two ways to ship your products to Amazon warehouse from China: by air and by sea. Air is faster but more expensive. Sea is slower but cheaper. That's why it's advisable to find products that are small and light for cheaper shipping costs. Once you have chosen your supplier, don't order yet. Create your Amazon seller account first. And then once you got approved, then you can order your first inventory from your supplier. And then start creating your listing. In creating your listing, make sure to use a title rich in keywords for SEO purposes and to help your product rank faster. It means that when somebody searches that specific keyword, your product will show up. The goal here is to get your product in the first page, because products in the first page gets the most sales. In order to rank in Amazon, you need to optimize your listing. Now, how can you do that? First is to create a keyword-rich title. Second, write a very good description with the benefits and description of the product. Third, add professional-looking images, clear images that shows how to use it. Fourth, get more sales. The more sales we get, the further up on the page we go. Now, how can you do that if you are just new and your product won't be on the top pages of Amazon? What I did was to ask my friends to buy my product for reviews. And I also did Amazon PPC or Amazon pay-per-click. Amazon PPC or Amazon's advertising platform helps sellers promote their products on the Amazon marketplace. PPC allows sellers to only pay an advertising fee when a potential customer clicks on the advertisement. When you see a product listing and it says sponsored, that means it's doing Amazon PPC. They will only get charged when somebody clicks on their listing. When your product arrives in Amazon warehouse, aim to get reviews right away. I got my very first reviews after my listing went live on Amazon with the help of other Amazon sellers, which I will tell you how later. That really helped my product get boosted on the first page in a few days. And when the product gets into the first page, that's when you expect to get a lot of sales. Another thing to take note is when you started to get more sales, make sure that you don't run out of stock, because if you do, your ranking will fall and it can negatively affect your Amazon listing and future sales. So make sure to monitor your inventory and replenish them right away before they run out. Inventory management can be tricky, especially when you are just starting out, because I myself experienced running out of stock for my listings when I started. But you'll get used to it and get better at it as you go along your Amazon journey. The results that I got, the over $23,000 per month, did not come from my first, second, or third product. It came from the products after that. And when I say products, there are more than one products that contributed to the sales. As I continue selling on Amazon, I got better and better. I made a mistake, I learned, and get better. The more mistakes I did, the more lessons I learned, the more I got better. Better in finding products, better in ranking them, better in running the business as a whole. So, what are these products that sold over $23,000 in a month? It is vitamin D3 drops, teeth whitening pen, spy camera, dash cam, boxing reflex ball, and fishing magnet. Amazon business can be an amazing business if you do it right. You may not become rich with your first, second, or even third product, but you will learn and become wiser. Your experience will teach you and you will get better and better along the way. In my other video where I talk about Amazon, a lot of you have been asking me what courses did I take to learn Amazon. They have a free training that you can watch. You can find the link in the description below. I also emailed some of you who have subscribed to my email list about it. If you want to receive my emails where I can send you some tips about passive income to create financial freedom, go to my website, salee.vip, and enter your email. And if you want to learn more side hustles that I did that made over $625 per hour, watch this video next.